Hi, I'm Gabriel. I do the art design and marketing work for ProBuilder.
And I'm Carl. I do the programming for ProBuilder.
So ProBuilder, you might already know, it's a tool on the asset store that lets you build and edit 3D meshes inside the Unity editors. You don't have to swap back and forth between other tools. It's great for prototyping and all sorts of speedy workflow stuff. We also have a lot of other tools we're working on, and currently one of the most exciting projects is the ProBuilder VR tool, which is connected into the new Unity Editor VR.
Yeah, so Unity announced Editor VR at Unite this year, and being VR enthusiasts, Gabriel and I were both pretty excited to get involved. So working with their plugins has been great so far. The team has been really receptive. We're making great progress, and we're excited to show you what we have.
Cool, so next up we'll show you a real demo of the actual ProBuilder VR in action. And then we go ka-chunk. Yeah, that's the whole demo. Perfect.
Yeah, right?
Yep. So here we are, ProBuilder VR, very early demo. You can drag out shapes using nice adaptive grids, so you can build large stuff at a far distance or closer stuff up close. I've got nice little guidelines so you can build a little more easily and align to other shapes and such. Pretty simple for the start. We're just making it so you can build stuff quickly and easily right within VR, so you can get a feel of your space as you're creating it and as your player will see it in VR. A lot of things we want to add to it, of course, being able to snap to vertices and edges, being able to do full ProBuilder editing, vertex and edge editing, extrusion, maybe even some texture stuff, all that. It's tough to do complex actions in VR. You never know what's going to work until you've really tried it. So a lot of things we're just working up, see how they go. A big reason we're making this totally free for everyone to try out is we're going to need a lot of people to test it. Try it in different ways, break everything they can, and hopefully give us some good feedback and suggestions on what is working well, what is not so great. So we also have, of course, ways that you can edit faces, so you can either click and drag them out using a sort of pointing along array, which is great for at distance or up close. It works pretty well for both. Or we also have an alternate method. When you get up close, you can use the cone and just grab right in, just like the standard Unity Editor VR controls, and move it with a one-to-one control. So that means something like as your arm moves exactly a meter or so, probably about the max you can get, unless you're real tall, then you're going to move that face that exact amount. And that's using when you're up close. We might also make it further off in a distance. Maybe it could be modified or multiplied by the grid size. A lot of things, like I was saying, we just got to try and see how they really work once we start using it to build some real stuff in VR, and also having you guys all test it out. So thanks for taking a look. We really look forward to hearing what people say and how they like this. Keep in touch, try out the build, and let us know what you think. So that's ProBuilder VR. We've got a lot of other things coming up as well. I hope you're excited for those. Giles, our in-game mapping and modding system, Polybrush for sculpting in Unity.
And ProBuilder 3, which we're excited about, a complete rewrite.
Yep, that's coming up right on the horizon. So thanks for watching. Excited to see what you guys create with these tools, and let us know how you like ProBuilder VR.
Solid.
Yeah, not bad.